What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got a package here for the Civic. Just gonna go ahead and show you what it is and show you how to install it. Alright guys, so what I have for you today is a package from NikuMotors. For those who don't know, they make a mount. Oh nice, they gave me organic gummy bears. Not eating those. Anyways, that was nice. Oh, comes with a little vinyl decal as well. That's nice. I'll throw that on the car. But they make a mount specifically for the tint gens. It's a phone mount. It goes, well, I'll show you where it goes later. But it also can mount K-tuners. So that's what I'm going to be using it for. I'll go ahead and open it and grab the other package that goes along with this and show you how that is done. Alright guys, so this is the actual mount. It is, like I said, by NikuMotors. Just has one little screw hole. I'll show you where it goes once we get in the car. It uses an existing screw already found in the Civic. So apart from that, what you'll need is to mount the K-tuner is obviously a K-tuner, and then this mount. I'll put the link down in the description below. But this is just a mount I got off Amazon that will just slide right into the back of the K-tuner if you wanted to cooperate. There we go, just like that. So yeah, let's get to the install. So this is basically the rough area of where the mount is going to go. So let me get you guys set up and we'll go right ahead with it. Alright guys, so you're going to start by taking off both side pillars right here and then popping the radio out. Alright, so once that's done, you're going to grab your mount and these, and we're going to go ahead and put these together before we put them in the car, because it's going to be a lot easier to do it now than when it's installed. So it took me a minute to find the size for these nuts in the back. They are 7mm if you get the mount that I purchased. The one that's in the description below. But use a Phillips head, and I only had a socket, so I put a ratchet on the back side. Just give them a little snug. Don't get them too tight. You don't want to crack the plastic or anything. But cool, it's all snugged up. Let's go ahead and get it in the car. Alright guys, so we're back in the car. The screw you're looking for is this one right here. This tiny little Phillips. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out, put the mount in, and then put everything back together. Alright, so we got everything back together. It's all looking nice. Got the trim back on. Here's the mount. It's rock solid. So let's get the K-tuner put on, plug back in, and see how she looks. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. We got the K-tuner all mounted, nice and pretty right here, so when you're driving, kind of give you guys an idea, it's going to be that kind of view. So it does block the sync knob a little bit, your temperature knob on the passenger side, but not too much to make it really a hassle. So alright guys, just want to say thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on the SI, the Del Sol, and my buddy's EcoBoost Mustang. Catch y'all later.